limited amount of information. If you want to store large amount, it is not possible. It can be hold only string data type values only. If the values are non-string type, then it is not able to store the data. SDM given per a browser, there are limited number of cookies storage is available. Every time, whenever I am sending request from the client to the server, suppose I am sending 100 requests. First request, there is no cookies. Second request, compulsory, I can add request plus cookie information. If I am given one more request, compulsory you have to give request plus second cookie. Request plus cookie. Every request, along with that, you have to provide your cookie information also. Unnecessarily, it is increasing the website traffic. So these many problems are there in our cookies. To overcome these cookies, we need to go to the session framework, session API. In the cookies, I'm given one best example. That is one example I'm given. What it is? RMP doctor. Whenever patient go to the doctor, doctor is the server, patient is the client. Doctor will create one slip and he will give to the patient. Patient will take care about those slip. Whenever second time patient come to the doctor, compulsory can carry that slip. If slip is not there, doctor cannot recognize that patient. So this RMP doctor is the best example for the cookies. Mari, what about our session framework? Session framework means, sir, here in the previous examples, client is the responsible to maintain all the information. Server is not at all responsible. Client can maintain all the cookies information. Whenever you are sending request to the server, along with the request, compulsory, you can provide cookies information also. But now, whereas in case of session framework, who is responsible means server is the responsible to maintain all the information. Client is not responsible. Server will take care about everything. For example, if you go to the, sometimes you can go to the bank locker. Everybody knows about that. What is the process of the bank locker system? Suppose you have some gold, some land papers are there, some cash is there. You have to store it into the bank locker. You can go to the bank. You can approach the bank people. You can ask the locker facility. So your total money, land papers, gold will be maintained. Who is that? Bank locker only. They will give one key for you. Only have only one key. They have also one key is there. If you want to open that locker, compulsory you have to insert both the keys, then only it will be open. So session is also same only. Whenever I'm sending any request, server will give for me one key. Means one ID will give. Babu, your key is so and so 1001. Okay. I know only that 1001. Remaining as I don't bother about that. Second time, whenever send the request, I will send my key. This is my key. What about the information? Same. How the bank locker maintain all the information? You don't have anything. You have only one small key is there with you. Whenever tomorrow you can go to the bank, you can submit your key. The bank manager will take the one more key. They can open by using these both keys and they can give the gold and all these things. For example, sometimes you can go to the temple. Temples. Yes. In the temple, there is a chapel stand or a mobile stand is there. In the chapel stand, what is the process they have to follow? They have to take all your chapel. They have to give one token only. They have to keep all your chappals. You have to give only one token. What they are storing, what it is, you don't worry. Once your darshan, everything completed, you can go to the stand, give your token. They will give your luggage, cloak room, chappal stand, mobile storage, everywhere same process. They have to provide one key to the client. Once you go to there, you can submit your key only. And one more best example is super specialty hospital, not RMP. What is the process for super specialty hospitals? Once you go to hospital, this is first time visiting. They are charging some 3,500 OP patient. They have to enter all your details, your mobile number, everything. Whenever you can go to after 10 days or 15 days, just you have to tell your mobile number or your patient ID. Enough. They will give all the details. What is your name? What is your age? Your mobile number, mail ID. What is your disease? Previously, what they are given, tablets, everything. You don't worry about anything. Just you have to tell your mobile number. Bus. They will give all your details. Who is maintaining this information? Hospital management or client? Hospital management means server. Server is the responsible to maintain all the client information. Asal client don't worry about all these things. Client only have one key. That is nothing but session ID. So in this total session, my server create one ID. That ID will be given to the client. Whenever client want to approach to the server, he submit their session ID. Server will take care about everything. Such a type of concept is nothing but what it is, session. For this, internally, there is one app is there, installed app. Open the Atom. As I'm telling what is that app? Django dot installed apps. I'm going to this one. Django dot contrib dot sessions. It is one of the installed app. Sir, test app is my app. So this session is already installed app. It will take care about to maintain your total session. Now, one more is also there, sir, in the middleware. This one. What it is? Session middleware. Asal generally, what is the meaning of middleware? Mediator of server and client. So there is one chapter is there, maybe 10th or 11th in your syllabus, you can check. One concept is there, middleware concept. Then you will get clarity. What is the middleware? What is the use of this middleware? Those things. Present in this instance, how session framework is working means installed app session is there. Session middleware is there. These people will take care about our total session management concept. So here, whatever methods are available into our session management. Methods for session management. First one, sir, I want to add data to the session. I want to add some data to the session. Sir, in Python, you know very well about that dictionary. Suppose you have to tell difference between these two commands. D of 100, D of 300 equal to Sunny. What is the meaning of first one, second one? First one is we are accessing value from dictionary. Until your dictionary, some values are there. Whatever values I'm not showing. D of 100 means you are accessing D with some key. If the key is there, value, otherwise key error. That is the secondary. This meaning is you are accessing. What is this meaning? We are assigning value to the 300 key. That is the difference between these two. One is accessing. Second one is assigning the value to the dictionary. Same concept. I want to add. Add means compulsory. How to go this one? Here. Request dot session of key equal to value. Am I assigning or accessing? I am assigning. Same dictionary. D of key equal to value. Here request is the one argument. Session is the dictionary. Key is any key value. In cookies I am given set underscore cookie of cname comma value. Same here also I am providing request dot session key value. Once I am assigning value, I want to read. How to read? How to read the data? Request dot session of T. Then am I reading or not? Yes, reading. Now, to get the data from the session, sir. Reverse, simple, same command, I am reversing. Yeah, what I was doing is value equal to request dot session. Yes or no? First one, some value I'm assigning to the dictionary. Something value is there. I'm accessing and stored into some variable. So sometimes, do you know, for example, I want to book the tickets to the flight. There is some SpiceJet is there. Okay. I want to book the ticket from one way. Hyderabad to date is something. Hyderabad to Vijayawada, one adult. I want to search the flights. Not available. Sorry. Something I'm doing here. I'm not doing anything. I'm leaving the session. After maximum 1 minute, it will tell your session is expired. It's not longer available. You can log into your HDFC Bank, log in successful. You won't do any operation, leave it. After 10 minutes, you can come, transfer the money, immediately getting session expired. So long time session is not available. I have to expire, I have to give the time. That is request dot session dot set underscore expire. Inside you have to give seconds. How much time can I run this session? Set the expiry time for the session. Automatically, whenever the time completed, it will gone. Somewhere else in cookies also explained. Set underscore cookie, cname value comma 60. Until 60 seconds, the browser available. After that, automatically gone, even if you are not closing your browser. Fourth one. Here nothing is else. Fourth one. Request dot session dot get underscore expiry underscore age. That is your wish. Sorry, the session management with yesterday remove methods for session management. Request dot session dot get underscore expiry age. And if you are not providing any expiry seconds, automatically Django will provide. So you don't set any expiry. You can ask what is this session expiry age. It will return some default age. That age should be in the form of seconds. Those many seconds I don't want. I want to use some 60 seconds, 120 seconds. Then you can use set expiry. It returns the expiry age in seconds. The number of seconds until this session expires. Sir, whenever I'm asking session dot get expiry age, for example, it is written the value 1,22,356 seconds. When it will expire? That is the time it is given. I'm asking when you will expire. I'm asking to the Django how much this session is given. It is given like that 1,22,350 seconds. Set exactly when it was expired. We don't know. We have to calculate. Instead of that, I can ask when you can exactly expired. Then you can ask expiry date. Then it will display date and time. Session dot get underscore expiry underscore date. It will display the date when it will expires. Returns the date on which session will be expired. So these are the methods are there. The simple one, first you have to set the values by using session of key. If you want to read the value, request that session of the key. You can read the value. You can set expiry, you can give your time. If you're not getting any expiry, you can ask when it will expire, when it will date. In the cookies, there is one project I explained, page count, same. I have to take session project 5. Sir, completed. Next, same. Go to the command prompt, create project. Go to the command prompt. Here. Go to the D drive. Django 10th February. Django hyphen admin start project session project 5. CD session project 5. py manage.py start app test app. Okay, next to add application in settings.py, make migrations and migrate. Sir, first I created project application, add application settings.py, make migrations and migrate. So now go to the atom here, go to the session project 5, open the settings, Go to the installed apps. You can add the test app. Go to here, py, manage.py, make migrations. Sir, some people are asking, sir, whenever you are doing migration, no changes detected. Correct only, because Yame created any models? No. If you created any model with that name, it will be available. There is no models, but built in the session tables I want to create. That's why I'm using the make migrations. Next, I want to go with what is the command? Migrate. Why I'm doing this means because of this table I can require. That's why I'm doing make migrations and migrate. Okay, done. Next, go to the views. View is the responsible to display everything. Create one view. Def is the keyword. Page underscore count underscore view. Inside, what is the argument? Request. Now, first I'm asking, is there any session? Is there not there? Sir, only commands are these 5 commands only. I want to read the data from the application. So what is the command? Request dot session of key. Here also you can access, but first time is there any key is there? Not there. Immediately will get error, key error, program will be stopped. Instead of that, you can go with get command. Get means if your key not available, you have to return your default value. That's why I'm using request dot session dot what is the command? Get. Sir, I'm using directly this one also, but the problem is here. Initially, count is not there. You will get a key error. Program won't executed. Runtime error came. Instead of that, if I'm using get command, that is the advantage of get command of dictionary. If it is not available, it will return none. Instead of none, can I return 0? Yes. Because of dictionary, request dot session get. Initially session is empty, nothing. Count is not there. 0 is available there. Stored into variable. What is the variable name? Count. After that, I can go with count plus equal to 1. Count automatically incremented. How to set the session? Request dot session. Just now I'm given a count equal to what it is? Count. This is the command. Which one? This one. At I'm assigning value. What is the count value? Count value will become 1. So 1 will be assigning to your count. Starting session is the empty dictionary. That's where return 0. Now your dictionary filled with the count with 1 value. Return this value. No response, no set the cookie. Already I'm assigning to the session. Return, render, inside. What the argument? Request, comma, HTML file. Test app slash page count dot HTML. What is the dictionary? What is the value? Count. Count. Completed story. Here any line number 7. Yeah, what is the line number 7? Just now I'm telling to add some data to the session. Request dot session of key I provided value. That is the meaning of line number 7. After that, this count variable I can create a dictionary. Send it to which page? Page count dot HTML. Okay, done. Wait. Create templates. So here, right click on session project 5, new folder. Sir, what is the folder name? Templates. Inside templates, right click, again, folder. What is the folder name? Test app. Inside test app, right click, the file. What is the file name? Page count. Page count dot HTML. Now HTML page is ready. Now go to the settings. Create a variable. Template underscore dir. Base dir slash templates. This template dir you can provide it to DIRs. Now implement the page count. Take the HTML inside body. Just I have to give H1 the page count. What is that variable? Count. If you want to give something, you have to give span tag. Close this. Inline styling. Now one more curling brace. ఇది కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా సరిపోయిందా నౌ h1 page count span సరిపోయింది కదా ఓకే నౌ inside you have to provided what is the tag style tag inside I have to give font size I can provided bus view is ready page count is ready one what is required URLs is required count views dot page count view from test app views. Now we can start the server. What is span? Span a py manage.py run server. Server is done. Sorry, what they are telling? Your session has time.came because of that predefined some time they can provided. Same concept we are also doing that is called as session management. Now here oh count kada count idigondi the page count is 1 sir what is the use of the span do you know HTML not you who are asking doubt that person Sunny, Amma. HTML. Sir, now count is one available there. Same if you can refresh. Am I getting the count or not? Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 available there. Now copy this. Go to the another browser, sir. Paste it. Now what it is coming? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now observe, I come to here. I am closing the browser. Okay, na? Now the count is 15. I closed all the browsers. Firefox, okay. Chrome is not open. Again, I am reopening the Chrome browser. I am sending the request. Now, what is the count? 1 or 16? 16. 1. What it is? It is not cookies. Cookies means available into the client. Once close the browser, data gone. But the data is available server side. So that same, sir, you are not setting any time how it is means default it is taken some time. Sir, how much time it is their session? I don't know. You can ask because Django will provide some time. How to get the time? Get expiry age. Then it will display what is the by default age. Until that, it will maintain your session. You can shut down system. Tomorrow I will come. I will start. The count will be pakka 17. And based on the age. Suppose it is given age 2 hours only. Then no chance. Sorry, we will ask to the Django. What is the time? Go to views. Here I can print. Sir, what is the command? Request dot session dot expiry underscore get kada get underscore expiry underscore age. Now I'm asking age. Okay. See the server. Fine. Come to here. Refresh. 17, 18, 19, 20. ఎక్కడో డిస్ప్లే చేశాడు ఇదిగోండి ఇది వాడి ఏజ్ 12 lakhs 9,600 seconds it will be available. అంటే ఎప్పటి వరకు how much time? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, until that is seconds only. I don't know exact date and time. How to get the exact date and time? Method ఉంది కదా ఏదో method. Get expiry date. You can ask this. Now come to here. I am commenting. I want exact date. Save. Come here. Refresh. No. Here. Come to the print is missing. Print. Now save. Come to here. Refresh. 24. Now go to the console. What is the expiry date? It's got data. 26/3/2024. And March 26th, this session was maintained. Until tomorrow, you can come, open the session, send the request. The count will be start from 24. In the Firefox, the count will be start from 5. That is the meaning of session management, sir. By default, it is providing this much time. Sir, I don't want this much time. I have to provided. What is the command? Set expiry seconds. Okay. Come to here. In this, you can ask expiry of seconds. How much? 120 seconds I am given. Now I am asking expiry date. Your server is started. Now continue 25, 26. Now the expiry time. What is the expiry time? 12. Today date, March 2024. What is the time? 6:20 to 27 and 11:50 kada. That within 2 seconds, ఇది కదా. This is the current time. So 12:51. Sorry, చూడండి. Now count is 26. After 2 minutes, automatically it will be gone. The count will become with 0. Automatically the session was expired. You want to do anything. 11:51. Sorry. Meanwhile, have to take this code. Which time? Sir, now see this. Already 4 minutes completed. Once go to the browser. If I refresh, the count is 26. Is it going to 27 or 1? Definitely it will goes to 1. I'm selected something in the console. And is going to 1 because session was expired. Firefox also 10 is there. If you refresh, it will become 12, 17, 13. Okay. Observe. Now I'm refreshing now. From now onwards, 2 seconds it is available there. After that, it will come 1. Again, we have to wait 2 seconds. 2 minutes, sorry. Page count.html. Page count. Yes, we are creating the session and we are setting the value. That is the meaning of line number 30. This is the HTML file. Just to take the body, the page count. You can inject a dynamic content count. 34 means I am asking how much time session is available. That is the meaning of, that's why I'm given starting commands now. What is the commands I'm given? This only. Get expiry date means returns expiry age in the seconds. Why I'm given starting all these things? That is the meaning of line number 34. I'm asking how much time session is available. In the seconds, it will be displayed. If displayed seconds, I don't know how much time. That's why I'm asking expiry date. It will display when it will expire. Sir, completed. This is the HTML file. Sir, now 2 minutes are completed. Come to here, refresh. It is going to the 1. If you go to here, Chrome also, it will become 1. So 2 minutes only available my session. For example, anyone tell here, if I am given expiry as 0, then what will happen? 0 I am given. It will, I am given expiry time is 0 seconds. What will happen? Only 1. Sorry, check this. Django default time. You can read this. 26/3/2024 same time. And immediately we'll close session now. Not Django default. Default time means yesterday. What is the time it is provided? Always 26. So until 26 March available. So until 26 March it is available. Very good. I close the browser. I open the browser and I have to take the URL. Come to previous. What is the count there? 26 kada. Maybe whatever is there from there it will continue. మరి 1 కి వచ్చింది కదా. మరి until 26 you are telling it is maintaining session na? And not there. Until close the browser only it is available. That is the meaning of 0. 0 means until you can close the browser. Suppose I'm not closing browser. Until my session 1 o'clock I'm not closing browser, it is there. Once I can close this browser, now I am closing. Firefox also 18 is there. I am closing the browser. I open this, immediately it is taken from 1. So that is the meaning of the 0. Until closing browser, your session will be available. Once you close the browser, will be gone. So here, you have to give 120, you have to give 0. 120 means it is maintained. 2 means session is available. Here, yes, once we close the browser, session will expire. That is the meaning of 0 and 120, sir. The real-time projects in the entry point of view, very important concept. This is session management. So next, one more application is the last one in session. Same in the cookies, we are doing one profile application. That is name, and I want to provide that age, and I want to provide that girlfriend name. I want to please check your complete information. This one we explained in the cookies. Same thing we can go with session management. So for this, first to create the project, stop the server, clear the screen, go to back, django-admin, start project, session project 6, cd, session project py, manage.py, start app, test app. Add application in settings.py. Make migrations and migrate. Sir, first what is required? Forms.py. I want to display one form. I want to enter the name. So go to the Atom, close the project, open the sixth one, open the settings. So here, installed apps, I can go with test app. Go to here, py, manage.py, make migrations. Next, migrate. Done. Come to here, right click on the app, take one file. What is the file name? Forms.py. Inside you have to take from, what is the module? Django. Import, what is the module? Forms. You can take class name form inside forms dot, what is the class name? Form. I'm not storing anywhere, just normal form only. Now take a variable name equal to forms dot character field. Max length is not required. So that is the forms.py. Try it directly. You can use migrate command. Try this one. Then what will happen? You can tell. So next one, views.py. In the database, then only max length is required. In form, max length is not required. Just character field is enough. So this form can be displayed by who is the responsible? View is the responsible to display one empty form. Not permanently. How much is session time given? That much time it is stored. Once the session expired, it will be gone. Sir, go to the views. Views.py. Here, def, name view, inside request. I have to create object for the, what is the class name? Name form. Take one variable form. This one I want to, sir, akkada what I'm given. Object dot created. I have to return render inside request, comma, test app, slash name dot HTML. Create one dictionary. What is the dictionary key? Form. What is the value? Form. But it is available from testapp dot forms import name form. Done. This is the views.py. Now, one HTML file is responsible to display your form. Session management, we are using real-time projects, not cookies. If any small amount information, we can go with cookies also, no problem. But cookie security is not there. Client will maintain the information. That's why in real time, every project they are using session API only. Done, completed. So now create HTML file. For that, right click on project, new folder, templates, right click, a folder, test app. Inside test app, right click, a file, name dot HTML. You can take the HTML code. In this, I have to go with H1 tag, name, registration form. Inside, I have to take the form. Action I have to give which page. So if you not mention any method by default, which is get method, inside injected curling brace, form dot as underscore p. I have to submit CSRF token. I want to take one input button, submit a type. The value is submit name. Submit name available there. For this, one URL. The URL is I can provided name is the URL. Remove the slash. Views dot, what is the name underscore view? From test app, import views, start the server. Run server, server is started. Copy this, go to the browser, name is the URL pattern. Settings problem. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir we can give to the base dir. Come to browser, refresh. Name registration form, name available. Once I enter, submit. Something goes to the next page. For that, we have to write the code. This is the code in name.html. Four not four error means your side problem. End user did some mistake. Yeah, this will come in REST API. I will tell what is the meaning of 404, 302, 200, 500, 100. 404 means client side mistake. Above 500 server side. 300 redirect URL. 200 success code. 100 just information. Those will come in REST API, not now. In REST API, I will tell what about these response codes. Sir, first form is ready. I'm entering name. Once I click on that name, I want to go to the second page. I can ask age. For that, one more form is required. So now, Flask is not required. Django is enough. That is, I'm telling now, without using make migrations, you can use migrate. Then what will happen? You have to tell. Can I use without make migrations migrate? Some people are telling yes, some people are telling no. So Arjun, the next one is, so the flow is whenever I'm entering name, submit, it will goes to the next page. In that page, I can ask the age. For that, one more form is required. So in the forms.py, I have to declare, go to the forms here. I have to take another class, one more class. What is the class name this time? Age form. This one, age. Here, integer field, bus. This is one class. You have to take forms.py. Sir, now see here. In the age form, I want to display here. In this views, I have to declare age underscore view. The argument is request. Sir, once end user provided some name, How to read this name? I want to read this name to display. Session is empty. Session is empty now. And first you have to read this name, then assigning to the session. Suppose observe. This is the command to set the session. The command is this is request dot session of name equal to value. Where is your value? But here, once I'm providing data, once I clicking on submit button, is it a get request, post request? Get request. From the get request, you can read this stored into some variable. How to do that? Request dot. What is the method? Get. In the form, what is the field name? Name. Stored into variable name. Because once user clicking on submit button, it is a get request. Whatever user provided data I am reading, the value will be stored into variable. What is the variable? Name. This value you can set to the session. How to set? Request dot session of some key. The key may be anything. Can I give key as a name? Yes. This name can I pass to here? This is the way how to set the session. So this data provided by end user, I am reading, stored into variable. This variable I am assigning to the session key. Create the object for which one? AG form. Stored into one variable, that is some form, or else you can give age form. But age form is not there. Here you can give age form. Once form is ready, now return render inside request comma test app slash age dot html. Create the key, sorry, dictionary. What is the key? Form colon form. And one more is required. What is the second key? Name comma name. So two values I am forwarding to the next page. One is one age form. Second one is the name which is entered by end user. This is the age view. Everything is same only. Instead of UI, if I'm using Django form, the code will become very simple. Line number 101. Line number 101 means just now I'm given, I'm creating a session with the key name. Previously page count is generated now. Whatever name provided by end user, that name I'm assigning to the session. What is this command starting? I'm telling how to add some data to the session. Suppose the name I'm given Mahesh from the form. That name I'm reading, assigning in the session key value pairs. That is the line number 101. Sir, ఇప్పుడు కావాల్సింది this page. Age dot HTML. Inside you have to display age form. Completed. take the age.html, right click, go to file, age.html. Inside HTML, in the body, h1, hello, curling brace, you can print the name. After that, you have to ask, provide your age. You have to display form. So here, class is I don't want, action I will mention, method is get method. So inside I have to display form dot as underscore p. Compulsory security purpose CSRF token. Submit button. Value equal to submit your age. Now, for this one URL is required. The URL is age views dot age view. Now, server is ready. Come to here. Go to your. This is the address. Once I'm entering the name, click on submit. Is it going to the next page? Once you submit, data will be gone, but it is not going to the next page. What is the reason? You have to give age into where in the name.html. Once you click on submit button, what is your action? What is the action? Age. Then the corresponding URL will be executed. The function will be executed there. Come to here. Go to the here, get request. Enter the name, submit. Hello Mahesh, provide your age, submit age came. So age.html. So compulsory name.html, you can add that one. Form action equal to one 111. How to display the form in the HTML? Curling brace form dot as underscore p. Then only this form will be displayed. Age submit button. Because this form is coming from the here, check it, views.py. In the views.py created object, this is object created for your class. This form I am given as a dictionary key value pairs. This form I am injected to this. As p means line by line paragraph. It is for security reason. CSRF token cross-site request forgery. So 110, 111 mandatory. Then only a form will be displayed to your page. Slash age and percentage URL age. Once I'm clicking on this button, what is the action means it is going to this URL. Automatically it will goes to that views. The corresponding view will be executed. The views age form will be displayed. Mari, this was Maybe it is in the ginger to syntax. Curling brace percentage means this is the normal HTML. We have to provide our action URL. The next again forms.py. What we have to give this time? Name form is ready, age form is ready. One more form I can require. Girlfriend form. What is the 110 line? In that dictionary, whatever key you are given, that value compulsory you have to give this one form. For example, in your dictionary, I'm not given form. Can I give X? Yes. Then you can give X dot as underscore P. Whatever key you are given dictionary, that one you have to provide. Search on the next. Go to the forms. Here, class. One more class I have to take in. Instead of name, girlfriend form, character field only. Here you have to give GF. This is the class we have to created for this one view. To every time form, view, HTML page, URL pattern. Sir, in this view, two are there. One is, I want to get the age from here. So how to get the age from here? By using get method. But I want to read the name. Name you have to read from where? From your session. Because just now created session, from there you can take the name. Age you have to take from get method. So go to the views. Views.py, sir. Here. Def. Girlfriend view. Inside request. First, I can ask the age request dot. What is the method? Get. Get of age. Stored into variable age. How to get the name? So same. Once I'm taking age, set the session. Can I give age equal to age? Yes, because we have to, previously I'm setting the name to the session. Now I'm reading data from the end user. I'm setting the session. I want to read the name. How to read request dot session of what is the value? Name. Stored into variable. What it is? Name. Sir, here line number 16 and 17. Line number 16 is I'm assigning the data to the session. Line number 17 is I'm reading data from the session, assigning to the some variable. Now create the form object. Form equal to GF form. But it is not there. GF form is the class. Once it is there, you have to return render same story. This one return render test app instead of age GF. Form is okay, name is okay. Don't send the age, not required. The last page, I can send the age also. This is the view. Here mentioned a session of age. In the dictionary, I don't want to, because in the next form also I want to display name only. That's why I'm not created dictionary. I don't want required dictionary. Whatever values I want to display HTML file, Those all I'm creating dictionary. Age I don't want to display. That's why I'm not creating dictionary with the age. But session am I created or not? That is enough. So now take one more HTML page. That is right click, new file, gf.html. In this one, go to the age, copy, paste. Hello name, provide girlfriend name, form, everything same. Submit the girlfriend name. Same story. This is the GF. For this, declare one URL. 1 minute. Go to the URL. Now, views dot view. Server is fine. Now, give the server address with the name. First page. Click on value. Submit. Enter your age. Submit. Dictionary key error we are getting, something goes wrong. Multi-value dict key error name, something goes wrong. In our last view, third view, GF view, something goes wrong, check it. Line number, multiple values came for the dictionary. Go to the views, views is the problem. Here somewhere else wrong. Age, request dot get of age, okay. Request dot session of age equal to age. Name equal request dot session of name, form, name. ఎక్కడో మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. Import. What can I import? Not import error. Dictionary getting the multiple keys. Previous lesson same error I'm getting. 1 minute. ఇక్కడ ఎర్ర ఉంది. Name equal to request dot get of. Correct. The problem is, sorry sir. Observe carefully in the HTML. Sir, first one name is okay. Second one what it is? Age, not name. Yes sir, no. Get off, what can you use? Age we can use, not the name. That's what they're telling. ఏజ్ ఇచ్చాను కదా. ఏజ్ సెషన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ సెషన్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్. 17 line, yes, or give action inside. 1 minute. Here in the girlfriend page, కాదు age page I want to give action girlfriend. Now server is started. Go to back. Now get the request, give name, submit, give the age, submit. Hello Mahesh, provide your girlfriend name. Now once you submit, goes to the last page. Yeah, page complete. It is completed. The URLs, that is the mistake. Action we are not mentioned. The gf.html, sorry, age.html. In the browser, it will display now. Based on that, you have to see the error. Then we can find out the solution. It is coming while practicing only. By seeing the error, we can identify where the problem is there. Sir, finally, what is the last one? Results view. In that results view, I have to display the name, age, girlfriend name, total 3 I have to display. How to display all the 3 values? Name I can provide the session, age I can provide session, but girlfriend not provided the session now. Okay. See the last one. Results view. So last function, views.py, results view. Check this. So now you have to tell how to read the values, name and all those things. Def, results underscore view, request. Sir, now we are in this page, the girlfriend page I am entering. How to read the girlfriend name? By using which method? Get method. Inside what is the variable? Girlfriend. Take the variable. How to set this one? Request dot session of what is the key? GF equal to girlfriend. Next I want to read the values. Request dot session of what is the session already there? Name. Stored into variable name. Next age is also available. Request dot session of age. Stored into variable what it is? Age. Please tell what to do. Return, render, request, comma, test app slash results dot HTML. Next, can I create any dictionary? 20? Not? Why? I'm not creating dictionary now. I'm not creating dictionary. Sir, every time, observe every time I'm creating dictionary passing here, I'm creating dictionary passing here, I'm creating here, no dictionary. But how to read the data HTML by using session I can read. That same set the girlfriend also session. So here I'm not creating dictionary, just I'm passing this. Observe carefully now. The last one, HTML file. Results.html. In this one. Sir, every time from the dictionary I'm reading the data here. What I was doing is curling brace, percentage. How to check if request dot session. If any data is there in our session in H1 tag, thanks for providing information. Please confirm once. Sir, now inside I want to display unordered list. How to read data from the session? There are multiple key values are there. Percentage for each key comma value where in request dot session dot items. As we are using now keys values items. Key value pairs it is coming. First list I want to provide curling brace what it is key. Sir, inside key what is the meaning of this symbol? And I'm given upper. Template filters. Normally key is available name. It is coming into the uppercase. After that I want to provide colon. I want to give value. Value I can provide it with title case. So if request.session 8 data is there, print this key in uppercase, value in the title case. Once it is come, end for loop. For example, if the session does not contain any data, then you can go with else block. H1 tag, you have to print no information available. End if. Now ready. For this one URL, go to the URLs. I have to go with results. Here, results view. Give this results into where? In the action of here. This is the total flow. Now server is ready. Copy the address. Go to the browser. Give the name. First it is asking name. Enter name. Submit. Enter age. Now submit the girlfriend name. Submit. Now, thanks for providing information. So all the keys are available upper cases. Name, age and GF. Actually those are in small letters. Name, age and name. Title case available there. This is called as how to go with session management. So that's why here I'm not creating the dictionary. I can set the data girlfriend to the dictionary sessions. The next 8 chapters are completed. In the last class, I explained yesterday cart application, something I explained now. Books, items, quantity. That you can try by using session management. You have to try with session management. 8 topics are completed. Inka 6 topics are there. Tomorrow I will start about 9th chapter, authentication and authorization. Okay. Bye everyone. Tomorrow We will continue the session. ఇస్తాం. Results.html body. So after this views, take the results.html.
Recording stopped.